Well, my plan to explore some forest roads today was a complete failure. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry this video is coming out a little bit later than normal. My brother and I are actually down in Bend, Oregon. I have to get a part repaired for my Cascadia vehicle tent. And so they're like, why don't you come down? We'll replace it for free. Excellent customer service, by the way. So we are headed there this morning, and then afterward, we are going to tool around on some forest roads down here. So stay tuned. All right, so we got I gotta put my car in reverse. Okay, so we got the part for my tent replaced, and he actually put in a better part. We got a full tank of gas, and I think I have an idea of where I want to go off-roading. And added benefit along the way is the rough wear retail store. So maybe I'll see what I can pick up for Cam, and then we will. All right. So we just left the rough wear store. Cam got to say hi to a lot of friends, and we got some stuff that we needed. I replaced her front range harness because her old one is all tattered because she's not high enough off the ground and it just was dragging. And this time I also got one of their little water things that go inside of it, so that way she can carry her own water rather than me. Okay, and also a little floating stick toy, which I'm gonna give to her in a second. Just get my knife out. This is perfect because let me get my better knife out. This is perfect because she loves to be in the water, and so this can function as both a water toy and just a regular toy. Hold on, Cam. The trick is not cutting myself while opening this. It sounded a lot worse than it actually was. Okay, here you go. Okay, so this is gonna be pretty interesting because it's quite snowy up here. And so I don't know how far I can make it. But we are going to try. Okay, well that was short-lived. There is a gate preventing us from going any further down this road. So on to find another plan. Okay, so we're gonna continue down this main road. I guess it's the main road. There seems to be a couple forest roads that shoot off of it, so we'll see if we can get on those, but I'm not sure if they are all closed because of the snow. So if that happens, this adventure might be cut short, but if not, we'll keep going. Alright, so that road was a bust. There was a road closed sign. It was just off to the side, so I thought it was open. You know, it's one of those things that, you know, the best laid plans go awry. And so my intention to explore out here didn't go as planned, but that's okay. You know, we have now an excuse to come back in warmer weather when these roads are open, and, you know, we can explore other parts as well. The guy at Cascadia Vehicle Tents did say, he's like, you'd have better luck out east where there's less snow, because he assumed that a lot of these roads would be closed, and he would be correct. So I'm going to head back to where we're staying along, I'm taking the long way back, and hopefully we can find some adventure along the way, and if not, we will make do. Well, my plan to explore some forest roads today was a complete failure. We are going to make the best of a bad situation and explore some of the BLM land that borders with our Airbnb that we're staying at.